What up, YouTube? This is VTM94 coming back at you with a video. I'm going to do a box break of 2013 Panini. 2012-2013 Panini. But first off, I just wanted to show you, I'm watching the NFL draft. And yeah, it's coming to a close. We're on pick 248. So that's almost over with, but I'm pretty pumped about the Packers getting Eddie Lacy. I think that's going to work out really good for them. And I don't know, it's been a pretty good draft so far, even though people have said there's not much talent this year. But yeah, I'm ready to just I'm ready for the season to start now with some of the picks we've had, and if we can keep getting some players back healthy on defense, I think we're gonna have a good team. So yeah. All right, let's get into this box break of 2012-2013 Panini. Here we go. Oh, first off, before that, I bought another pack of I bought a pack of 2013 Leaf football, and these are the cards I got: Jordan Wagner, Sean Porter, Michael Mauti, Marquise Goodwin, Colin Klein, Stephon Taylor, Joseph Randall, Benny Logan, and I actually got the Packers first-round draft pick, Dayton Jones. That's pretty sick, out of UCLA, so that was really nice. I'm glad I got that. Best card I got in that pack. That's sick. Vance McDonald, Sylvester Williams, Zach Desert, Justin Hunter, TJ McDonald, and Brandon Jenkins. So I got 15 cards for $2. That's a pretty good deal. Anyway, oh, and then also I got this, I went to Taco Bell on the way home like I usually do whenever I go out. I just got some lunch there, and I got some Panini packs of Panini cards. I didn't get any rookies once again, but here's the base I got. So pretty decent base. Some of them I don't have, but like a lot of them are kind of like repeats or whatever. So I don't know. I guess I did decent. I already have both of these already, but these two updated cards are Ray Allen and Joe Johnson. Then I got no rookies, but I got 2 second-year players of Bismack Biyombo. I don't have that. And then, last but not least, I got Kyrie Irving. So that is really nice. Kyrie Irving. That's sick. So that's pretty hard to pull. I'm glad I was able to pull it. So yeah. So now let's get to the box break then. So yeah. Here we go. Alright. 12-13 Panini basketball. Let's go. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, and in the NBA playoffs, I mean, I hope the Bulls beat the Knicks, but I don't know if they're going to get much further after that. My prediction is, even with Westbrook out, I predict it's going to be a 2012 finals rematch of the Heat and Thunder, and I think the Heat are probably going to win it all again this year. So, like a lot of people, I'm predicting the Heat. So we'll see what happens, though. But let's break into this box. Alright. 8 packs, 64 cards per box. That's 8 cards per pack. Alright. That's everything. I'll put it in the background. Alright, here we go. Let's bust this open. First pack. It was the last box they had, too. The very last one they had. So let's hope I can get something good. Let's hope for some mojo.
Well, if Trent Dilfer were here, if he hadn't supposed to tap out early, he would say something like, "Get a high motor."
Gerald Wallace, Brandon Bass, JaVale McGee. I got a legend of Karl Malone. That's nice. Rudy Gay. Kawhi Leonard. Sweet. Greg Stiesma. I think that's, yeah, it's considered a, I mean, I don't know, second year. That's second year guard. This is a rookie though, Tyler Zeller. Moved to UNC. His brother Cody's going to be in the draft this year. I met him. He's a really cool guy. I hope he gets drafted pretty high. Next pack. Before the draft started, but he was only at about, well, I say only, he just wasn't 100% yet. Corey Brewer. Just settle down, slow down, make sure you're healthy. Eric Gordon. David Cutcliffe. And on May 5th, Roy Hibbert, Spirit of the Game insert. That's nice. This injury, and obviously with Matt Ryan, nice insert card. Lewis Williams, Tony Allen, Mike Miller. No question, Ward, and that is dirtiest player in the NBA. Well, not dirtiest play-wise, but I mean, look at his tats. Look at all those tats. White trash. Marshawn Brooks. These are both rookies. Marshawn Brooks. Or no, actually, this is a second-year guard, but whatever. And this is a rookie though, John Jenkins. Went to Vanderbilt. That's a rookie. The other one's like a second year. I hope this video doesn't last too long, but it probably will. Ben Gordon. Jason Kidd. The Knicks. Ooh, this must be a... like a short print or something. Look at the bottom. The logo's different. Like, it has a different logo compared to like that. The logo's like that. It's not numbered or anything, but it's like a different. That's kind of cool. Must be like a short print or something. Luke Mbamute. Some type of short printer variation. That's pretty sweet. Bill Laimbeer, legend. Paul George. Dion Waiters, rookie, nice. Oh, and Austin Rivers. Nice. Dion Waiters. He's really good. Austin Rivers had a decent year. And Quincy Acey, is that a rookie too? Yeah, it's a rookie too, Quincy Acey. Nice. I've got a lot of rookies in the first couple packs. Hopefully I can pull a Damian Lillard. Or a jersey or something. Chauncey Billups, Josh Smith, DeMarcus Cousins, Steve Nash, Marvin Williams, Wilson Chandler, Chris Singleton, is that a rookie? Second year, or whatever, I don't know. And Ben Hansborough. Yeah, the brother of Tyler Hansborough. He's a rookie out of Notre Dame, undrafted. That's pretty sweet. And they're on the same team with each other. Both on the Pacers. Okay, only got like 3 packs left. Anderson Varejao, Evan Turner, Boris Diaw, OJ Mayo, nice. I don't like how that reflections or that glare. Joe Dumars, legend. Marcus Morris, is that a rookie? Nah. Jimmer Fredette, that's not a rookie either, second year. And Darius Johnson Odom, that's a rookie. Yeah, he went to Marquette. Jason Thompson. That's coming up shortly, Mr. Irrelevant. Kyle Lowry. Okay, nice. Oh, matching numbers of J.J. Redick and Jimmer Fredette. That's pretty sweet. Nice. That's pretty sweet. I like that card. Got a couple nice inserts. Roy Hibbert. Oh, LeBron, nice. LeBron base. Tim Duncan. Reggie Jackson, is that a rookie? Nah. But this is Kim English, rookie. I've got quite a few rookies, so that's good at least. I've got a couple nice inserts, and I pulled a LeBron. Oh, nice. Got a Harrison Barnes on the back. Eric Bledsoe. Aaron Afalo. James Harden. Goodyear. Mike Conley. AI. Nice. AI legend. Jan Vesley. What is that? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Brandon Knight, okay. Is that a rookie? Nah, it's a second year. I forgot he was in the other class. Harrison Barnes, though, rookie. That's sick. Reppin' UNC. Last pack. Okay, nice. I don't know if you saw it, but the last card's going to be sick. Channing Frye. Jose Calderon. DeMar DeRozan slamming it down. Oh, nice. Willis Reed, legend. That's sick. Steve Novak. Martell Webster. Jeremy Lamb. Is it a rookie? Yeah, it's a rookie. And last but not least, I'll slow roll it. Probably card of the box right here. Anthony Davis. Anthony Davis rookie card. So that is sick. Card of the box. Anthony Davis. And the last retail box I opened here on camera too was from Hoops, and I pulled an Anthony Davis rookie then too, so that's pretty sick. I kind of wanted to pull a Damian Lillard, but I mean Anthony Davis to pull the #1 overall pick is pretty sweet too, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'd say the Anthony Davis is probably the card of the box, but then also I like the couple inserts that I pulled. Those were sick. Those inserts were sweet, and then also this card, this like short print with that different logo on it. That's pretty sweet. I'm pretty sure it's like some type of variation or something. Short print. So that was a cool card too, and then Anthony Davis, of course. All right, so yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. I'm pretty sure they're about to announce the last pick of the draft, so I'm gonna keep watching, and then yeah, I guess I'll end the video here. So yeah, it's already long enough. So peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.